Okay, so this video is to show the 8th graders how to download and fill the editable PDF and Google Slides for the week of April 20th to April 24th. So if you've already done your work, I'm sorry that I didn't get this up sooner, but if you haven't and you have access to the internet, I'm going to show you how you can use the materials I posted to not have to print things out or retype them. So we'll start with the crossword puzzle. So if you're on Google Classroom, I posted this on April 20th. So you go to the Just Right Government crossword PDF. So it's in the right-hand column. You click on it. So as you can see, this is it's a PDF that you can't do anything with. You just like click around. So in order to make it editable, you go up here to the top right where there's 3 dots and you press that, and then you click open in new window. So it's going to open up in a new window, and it looks the same. You still can't do anything to it. So in order to make it editable, you have to download it. So up here in the top right, there's an arrow pointing down to like an upside down bracket, and then if you hover your mouse over it, it says download. So click that, and then it should open up a document that you can type. If you click that, down here in the bottom left, it's going to pop up the downloaded PDF. So you click on that, and now it's editable. So now you can type your name. If you're going to type in the answers, I'll just tell you because it's not really a content question. Number 1 down, early Americans had something in common with this fictional character. So you can type, it's Goldilocks. I would go caps lock on this just because lowercase letters are sometimes harder to see in crossword puzzles. But you can type in here, and you can go all the way through the entire crossword puzzle. And because it's, and this is probably hard to see on the video, but the boxes that you're allowed to type in are kind of a blue shade. So that's how you know you can click in them and type in them. So once that's finished, now you have to download it again so that you can email it to me so that I can look at it. So you go back up here to the top right, back up. This time the download arrow doesn't have a bracket, it's just got a line. You press that button again. Now this opens up where you're going to save it to. So I will just save this onto my desktop, and I will save it as X word for crossword, and I'll press save. So then if I want to email it, I would just open up my email really quickly, and I would type in, I'll send it to myself. So awest@morton.k12. Here is my work. The subject line is where you put the subject of the email, and then the body, of course, is where you type. Some of you are sending me emails where you just type your whole thought into the subject line and then there's nothing in the body. So subject line is supposed to tell me when I'm looking at my inbox what the message is about, and the body is where you would type what you want to say. So I would type Miss West, comma, here is my crossword puzzle. Now, don't forget to attach it. So when you're in Google Gmail, when you're in Gmail and you want to attach something, it depends on how you want to attach it. If it's from your Google Drive, you can click this triangle looking thing. That's how you insert from Drive. But we've saved the PDF to our desktop. So we're going to do the paperclip, attach files. Now we just find the file. We saved it to our desktop, so we'll just find it there. You click on it, you click open, you wait till the blue line fills up, and now it's attached and you can send it. So that is how and I just received an email that I turned in my work. So that is how you download and edit the PDF crossword. If you want to do the cause and effect chart, it's a little bit different because this is a Google Drive situation because we are in Google Slides. So what you do is you open this up, and this was not originally posted. I apologize, but it is now on the Google Classroom. You open it up, and it gives you the directions here. You go to File, and then you make a copy. You just press make a copy of, let's just do the entire presentation. And then you name it. So I would name it your last name _ cause effect, just like we do with essays. So it's going to open it up in another window. Again, please excuse the insane number of tabs. Also, please excuse Edith. She's being very rude by scratching at the window. But so once you've opened up your own copy and it is your own, then you can click on the slide number 2, and it has these movable things. So I want you to read each cause and effect and decide. So the causes should be green, and the effect should be purple. So what was a problem caused by British rule? So one of the causes was that, let's see, the British government taxed the American colonists unfairly. So that's a problem caused by British rule. So what's one of the effects of that? The fact that the British government taxed the Americans unfairly. So the effect would be the new Americans made sure that their government did not have the power to collect taxes. So you just have to read all of these and drag them into the correct spot. And just notice that each box like this is a cause and effect. So you'll have a green and a purple for every pair. And you can, work on this as many times as you need until you figure it out. And then this is easier to get to me. Once you're done with it, as long as it's got your name on it up here, you can just click share and share it with me the way you would share any document. So if you are able to use this option to complete your work this week, that's great. If not, that's also okay. I just wanted to give you this choice because I know some of you are trying to print out all your work, and I just don't want your families to have to waste paper if there's another way to do it. So let me know if you have any trouble with this, and I look forward to seeing the work that you produce. Bye.